There is still a slight possibility of freezing rain in the state, but it has shifted out of the Midlands. So if you're anywhere near Darlington, Dillon, or Marlborough counties, they have a freezing rain advisory that will remain in effect for about another 45 minutes or so. That's going to go until 11 o'clock. So that's over in the PD. Also, in the upstate, we have a freezing rain advisory that will last until noon today. And lumped with that is Chester County. So with this entire area, we, of course, are watching how much rain do we have in place. And we really don't see a lot of rain in place in the upstate. So this will be freezing drizzle if we do see anything else fall between now and about noon or so. As we look up towards the border belt, this is the area still of concern. You do see one or two little pockets still in place of the possibility of freezing drizzle, especially once you look closer to Bishopville, where your temperature is still about 32 degrees there in Lee County. Now, towards Camden, you've warmed up to about 35 with 36 in Columbia. But notice you still have a good amount of rainfall to cross through the area before you'll see the spotty showers start to develop for you. As we look down to the south, we see a few other pockets of heavier rain embedded in there. Over towards Manning, you're seeing some heavier rain. In Orangeburg, things have cleared out for you, but just spotty showers now start to move through the county. For the most part, this is a situation that is starting to improve in terms of your rainfall. We had several areas of good downpours this morning. We're now watching as those showers, of course, begin to wind down in nature, but leave behind the cloud cover and the cooler temperatures. So based on this, you can see that we'll have that rain off and on through the day today. We'll have a break in some of this before our next batch of weather starts to push in for your Monday. So let's play this out on our futurecast. This is this morning at about 11. Notice that most of the rain has shifted to the east over to the PD. We still have the spotty showers in place across the Midlands. Now, by the time we cross into the afternoon, we could see some of those showers starting to pick up yet again and giving us one or two areas of moderate rainfall. We're going to continue to see it shifting to the east. By 4 o'clock, we're really going to start to see things kind of wind down yet again. By 8 o'clock, we could even see a few breaks in the clouds. I'm not expecting the temperatures to get terribly warm overnight, but it's tomorrow that we start to see your temperatures possibly making it into the middle 60s. By that point, we also start to see a decrease in the actual rainfall. We could, of course, still see that possibility of rain. I'm going with about a 30% chance. But for the morning commute tomorrow, things should be dry for you. It will still be a bit cool and cloudy out there. But during the afternoon, I expect temperatures to make it into the 60s. And I'll show you that, of course, on the 7-day forecast. After today, our cool and clammy 40-degree day, it's going to be out of here. Overnight tonight, your temperature makes it down to about 36. We're at 64 for your Monday and then 56 for your Tuesday. Notice I keep that rain chance in there, but it does go down to about a 30% possibility on Monday. Tuesday, back up to about a 40% chance. Notice a few additional clouds in place. And how about a warm 75 for your Wednesday? Wednesday and Thursday, we could see a few thunderstorms in there along with those warmer temperatures. Overnight lows will be in the 50s. Carolyn?
Thank you, Vaughn.